How to integrate Lalal.ai with DAW software. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, log into your account if you haven't already. Upload the audio file you want to separate or process by clicking on the Select Files button and choosing your file. Once the file is processed, download the separated tracks such as vocals and instrumentals in your preferred format, MP3, WAV, FLAC, etc. Now, open your DAW, digital audio workstation software such as Ableton Live, FL Studio, Logic Pro, or any other you use. Import downloaded vocal and instrumental tracks into the DAW project by dragging and dropping the files or using the import option within your DAW. From here, you can edit, mix, or add effects to each track separately inside your DAW for better control over your music production. This workflow allows you to combine the power of Lalal.ai's AI separation with your favorite DAW software for professional level audio editing and production. And that's it. Now you know how to integrate Lalal.ai with your DAW software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.